Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to wrap the region in here. So we have y and we have x. So we have the x and we see that x is greater than or equal to y. And x is smaller than or equals to number 1. Now we need to write about y equals to x. So we see that x is greater than or equals to y. And x is smaller than or equals to number 1. So here is about number 1 in here. So we see that this area we need to concentrate about y. We can see that that's it dy. This y is greater than number 0 and smaller than or equals to number 1. So here is about y. Here is about x. Now we need to change the order dx dy into dy dx. Now we have y in here and we have y equals to x. So we see that y is greater than number 0 and smaller than x. So the bounds of dy, that is from 0 to x. About dx, we can see that they start from 0 and number 1. So the bounds of dx, that is from 0 and number 1. And we put the function go in here. Now, the integration of this one, dy, you got about y. So I will put s go in here, number 0 go in here. So we have s minus 0, that's why we have s in here. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have 2s dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when s equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 go in here. And then we have u equals to number 0. When s equals to number 1, so I will put number 1 go in here. So u equals to number 1. So we have the integration from 0 and number 1. So s where we change by u. S dx we change by the u over number 2. So about tan u, that is about sine u over cosine u. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of cosine u. and we put the bounds from 0 and number 1. So I will put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here. So we have the final answer. Cosine of number 0, that's about 1. Ln of number 1, you got about 0. So if we simplify, we just put about 1 over 2 ln of cosine of number 1. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.